All right, this gentleman called me up and said, I got a garbage disposal installed and I'm looking to get this thing powered up. I'd like a switch on top of the counter. It comes with its own little kit and it was a pain in the ass to wire. But needless to say, he had a dishwasher outlet underneath the sink that we're going to go ahead and jump off of, make the top receptacle switch, keep the bottom receptacle on constant for the dishwasher. I opened up a hole in the wall, old work box style. Always use a vacuum cleanup while you're doing this. Snaked up the wall, went up great, no blocking, no spray foam. So I'm going to attach ourselves a 14-2. This thing's already protected downstairs by a dual function breaker. The panel was completely full though, so there was no option of adding another circuit. So each of these are going to share that 15 amp circuit. It's not a problem per code unless the manufacturer of the appliance requires a dedicated circuit. The guy's 80 something years old and barely uses a dishwasher, lives by himself. So I said no problem. We got this switch going on, razor knife that jacket right out of there. I use my diagonal cutters to strip it down afterwards. Put some hooks on. I'm not a backstabbing type of guy. I know per you all listen, the device can get a backstab, but I just like the hooks a little bit better. I didn't get a finished product of the garbage, but the switch is in and we're wrapped up.